So to make this, you are going to need a bowl, a whisk. You might want to use an electric whisk just because it will make the process much faster. 2 tablespoons of coffee, 2 tablespoons of any sugar, 2 tablespoons of water, a glass of your choice, and some ice if you want to, but this is optional, and a milk of your choice. Now, because I'm using sweetened soya milk, I haven't put as much sugar into the mix, but you might want to add more just to sweeten it up a little bit more. So next you want to pour all your ingredients into the bowl and begin to whisk. If you have a hand mixer, this is going to be very easy for you because you hardly have to do anything. But if you're mixing it by hand like me, then you have to just continue to whisk until it starts to become a light caramel color, just like I'm doing there. As you can see, it's beginning to lighten in color already, so just keep on going, zoom, 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 and there you go. It's much lighter in color. Some people actually mix it even further, but it's really up to you at this point. So there you go, put your ice in there with your milk, pour it all the way to the top, or actually 3/4 of the way, sorry about that, and then start spooning your mixture on top of the milk mixture. I'm using the word mixture a lot. So ideally it would reach the top of the glass, but if you don't have enough coffee mixture like me, then this is just gonna have to do, and there you have it, folks.